Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to add Tailwind CSS in our React app, which we will create using Vite build tool. So this is the official documentation and the website of Tailwind CSS. So to start, we will click this Get Started button, and here in the documentation we have this option Framework Guides, and for all the frameworks we have documentation and all the commands are mentioned. We can use this. If we are creating our project using next.js, then we can use this documentation. Now we are using Vite. We will create React app using Vite. So this documentation we will use. First, we will run this command which will create a project of name my project with the template React. We will open the we will open our project, and then we will open the terminal. Here we will run this command. After running this command, we can see that we have successfully created the project, my project, and we have all the files we need. We will run this command npm install to add all the dependencies, but for now let's just change the directory and we will check the documentation again. Now we have to run this command npm install. We will run this command. Here all the dependencies of Tailwind CSS, Post CSS, Auto Prefixer will be added. Let's wait for a few seconds. Now we have this node modules in which all the dependencies must be added. Here in our dependency, we have this Tailwind CSS, Post CSS, and Auto Prefixer also. So we successfully added the Tailwind CSS. Also, let's run this command npx tailwind css init. This command will add the tailwind configuration in our project, in our React app. Now we have to add this inside our ta- tailwind configuration file inside this array. So this line is to mention that these are the files which we will these are the fi- extensions of the files which where we will add the tailwind css. So inside src folder or the subfolders we will have these files with these extensions. Suppose we are not using typescript, so we can remove this. Still our code will work because we are using javascript, or we can use the jsx also. Now let's look into this command. This command we have to add in our index.css file. So inside the src, we will go into index.css and then we will paste this. So now all the utilities and components are available to use in our project. Now we will run this command npm run dev to run the our React application. This is now live in our local host. We can click here and we can see. Okay, so this is how it is looking. As we have removed the index.css content, this is not looking fine because we don't have any CSS in the index.css file. Let's add some content and let's just copy this, and we will paste in our return. In the function we will add this. Let's remove all this let's check the project, and this is working. Okay, so we have mentioned that we need text which is three times larger, font with bold and underline, which we are getting successfully. Suppose we want to add some another options, so you can, okay, this is let's add right. Okay, and we don't want to add underline, let's remove this. We can add color. S- let's add background color. um Suppose we want to add this color. So we are getting these suggestions, right? So for that you can go into the extensions, and then search Tailwind, and this Tailwind CSS intelligent. So this extension will help you to get these suggestions, which can be very helpful, because while learning Tailwind CSS, you might need a lot of suggestions because you are new to the Tailwind CSS. But after working on it, you will able to recall all the options available, and and you will be able to work on it very easily. Okay, so let's save this and let's check. So we are getting our hello world, which is not underlined, which is on right because we did the text right, and then we added background color yellow. So this is working fine. We will add more things and we will create some more components using Tailwind CSS. So I hope you find this helpful and you were able to understand how we can add Tailwind in our Vite project. So we will learn more things related to Tailwind CSS. Thanks for watching.